Today I'm gonna take you with me on a walkthrough of the Swedish World War II diesel submarine HMS Nordkaparen. Translation: North Caper. Why should you care about a Swedish diesel submarine, you might ask? Well, in a huge war game conducted by several allied NATO nations in 2005, a Swedish diesel-powered submarine HMS Gotland managed to break through all the defenses of the United States Nimitz-class aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan. And if you don't know, an aircraft carrier sailing out at sea is totally surrounded by a huge fleet of submarines, destroyers, cruisers and other support ships. Which task it is to keep the carrier safe at all times, using all the latest high-tech equipment and weaponry, hydrophones and radars. So the Swedish diesel submarine HMS Gotland managed to break through all defenses totally undetected, and then managed to complete not one, but several successful attack runs on the aircraft carrier. Time after time, landing so many devastating, simulated torpedo hits into its hull, that if it was a real scenario, the $6.2 billion aircraft carrier with all its fighter jets, helicopters and personnel would have sunk. And to put the economics into perspective, the Swedish diesel submarine HMS Gotland cost the same as one of the carrier's F-35 fighter jets. So back to Nordkaparen. Nordkaparen is a Swedish Dragon II class submarine that was built in Sweden at Kockums dockyard in Malmö. The submarine is 69 meters in length, 5 meters wide and have a displacement of 835 tons. It could go as deep as 150 meters. It has a crew of 37 sailors and have 4 forward torpedo tubes in the bow. In the torpedo compartment, you can see a quite unique design. Behind the 4 torpedo tubes you have a big round cylinder, just like a drum mag in a revolver. And this cylinder can rotate 360 degrees. It has 8 long chambers for preloading 8 torpedoes. So in an engagement, Nordkaparen could load 4 torpedoes in its tubes, fire off all 4, and then just rotate the drum mag 1 tick and quickly reload 4 new torpedoes in the tubes. So it could fire 8 torpedoes in a very quick succession. Nordkaparen is part of the warship museum MARITIMAN in Gothenburg, which beside mine layers and patrol boats also include the mighty destroyer HMS SMÅLAND, which alongside its sister ship HMS Halland was the 2 destroyers in the world that first got equipped with surface-to-surface naval missiles as an armament. More about the destroyer HMS SMÅLAND in an upcoming video, so make sure to like, subscribe and push the notification bell so you don't miss that one. More details about the warship museum MARITIMAN can be found in the description below.